Academy of Music, and we are going to continue our class. Our last class we talked about the naming of the white keys. So now today we are going to be talking about how to derive the black keys. So, but before we can get the black keys, there are some things we need to know, and that's what we are going to talk about today. Firstly, we need to know about interval. So what is interval? Interval is the distance between one note or one key and the other. Are we together now? That's interval, is the distance. When we just talk about interval, it means the distance. So now, when we now say, how can we calculate interval? There are two ways in which we can calculate interval. Number one, we calculate interval by semitone, and also we calculate interval by a tone. So what is semitone? Semitone, mathematically, it means 1/2. So do you get me now? So, and the definition is the shortest distance between one key and the nearest key. So that means if I pick one key like this and I pick the nearest key to it, so that means it's going to be what? It's going to be semitone. Are we together now? So now, when I say tone means two of semitone. When we have two semitones added together, you are going to get a tone, and that means if you have 1/2 plus 1/2, it's going to give me 1. So that means automatically a tone mathematically means 1. So now when we are coming to the keyboard now, how can we practicalize it? How can we see this? So how can we see tone and how can we see semitone? Are we together now? So now let's go to the keyboard and let me explain what tone and what semitone on the keyboard. Are we together now? So now let's go. So now when you look at the keyboard now, we are on the keyboard now. So when you look at this white key, let's see this white key now. This white key, this one, and this black key, you see that both of them, they are very close. Do you see that now? These two keys, they are very close. Now you see these two keys, they are very close. These two keys, they are very close. So that means that if I pick this one and I say pick the nearest key to it, the nearest key is this one. So that means the distance between the two of them will be what? Semitone. Do you get that now? So if I pick this one and I say what is the nearest key to it when you are moving forward, is this one. So that means the distance between the two is what? Is semitone. Now when you look at it from here, if you pick this one, what's the nearest key to this? Is this one. So the distance between the two is semitone. From here, the nearest key is this one. The distance between the two is semitone. Now look at this one, these two white keys. So if I pick this one, where's the nearest key to it? So the nearest key to it is this one. So that means the distance between the two is what? Is semitone. So now when you look at these two keys now, the distance between the two is semitone. You can see from here to this place also is a semitone because they are very close. From here to this place is also a semitone because they are very close. From here to this place is also a semitone because they are very close. From here to this place, from here to this place is semitone because they are very close. From here to this place is a semitone because they are very close. Now look at this place also. From here to this place is a semitone because they are very close. So now, so we have seen the place of semitone. So semitone is in between the white and black, the white and the closest black, the black and the closest white. So semitone is between them. So I will see between these two that there is semitone between two white keys. You can see there is no black key between them. So this one is the closest to it. So that means that it is a semitone. And when you look at the letters that involve, is C, D, E, and F. So between E and F, we have a semitone. E, F, we have a semitone. Now the thing is just that the semitone that is between these two is actually different because it's different from the semitone between white and black or black and white. but this one is between white and white, so it is referred to as natural semitone. It's referred to as natural semitone. So the two white keys now, you can see the two of them together without the black key between them, it is referred to as natural semitone. So we can still find another one that is between E and F. So now let's see another one in the front. You see another one here. So this one now, between these two, it is referred to as what? Natural semitone, and those letters are B and C. B and C. So that shows that there is natural semitone between B and C. So now let's go to tone now. So you see from here to this place is semitone, from here to this place is semitone. So now if I say what is the distance between these two now, so that will be from here to this place semitone, one semitone, and this and that two semitone. So if you add one half plus half together, it's going to give me 1. So that means that what is between here and this place is a tone. So you see that is a tone. You can see the same thing goes to this place. You move from here to this place, semitone. From here to this place, another semitone. Semitone plus semitone will give me 1. So the distance between these two is what? Is a tone. So that means that from C to D is a tone, from D to E is a tone. You see that now? And from E to F is what? Is a semitone. So now let's go to F to G. So F to G will be what? From here to this place semitone, from here to this place another semitone. So that is now